The Pompadour cotinga is a colorful and distinctive bird found in Central and South America. The Pompadour cotinga is known for its striking and vibrant plumage. Adult males have a deep, glossy purplish-blue body with a contrasting black mask that extends from the eyes to the nape of the neck. The wings and tail are also black, and they have bright pink or purplish-pink legs. Adult females, on the other hand, have more subdued colors, with a grayish-olive body and a lighter mask. Pompadour cotingas are relatively small birds. They typically measure about 18 to 20 centimeters in length from beak to tail. The weight of a Pompadour cotinga varies but is generally in the range of 30 to 40 grams. Pompadour cotingas primarily feed on fruit. They are known to forage in the treetops, plucking ripe fruits with their beaks. Their diet may include various fruits and berries, depending on what is available in their habitat. These birds are typically found in lowland tropical rainforests and humid forests. They prefer dense, lush vegetation and are often seen in the canopy of trees. Pompadour cotingas are known for their unusual courtship behavior. During courtship displays, males perform aerial acrobatics, including looping flights and tumbling. They may also sing and call to attract females. Once a pair forms, they build a cup-shaped nest in the forest canopy. They are generally solitary or found in small groups. While foraging, they may associate with mixed species flocks of other birds. The Pompadour cotinga is classified as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, like many tropical birds, they may face threats from habitat destruction due to deforestation. The many-colored rush tyrant is a small and colorful bird species native to South America, particularly in wetlands and reed beds. The many-colored rush tyrant is aptly named for its vibrant and varied plumage. Adult males have a striking combination of colors, with a bright yellow throat and breast, a black mask covering their eyes, a white forehead, and a brownish-black crown. They also have a distinct reddish patch on their wings, which is one of their defining features. The wings and tail are mostly black, and their legs are pinkish. In contrast, females and juveniles have more subdued colors with less black and reddish markings. These birds are relatively small, measuring approximately 11 to 12 centimeters in length. The weight of the many-colored rush tyrant can vary, but it typically ranges from 9 to 12 grams. Many-colored rush tyrants primarily feed on small invertebrates, such as insects and other aquatic arthropods. They forage in the dense vegetation of wetlands, using their sharp beaks to capture prey. These birds are typically found in freshwater wetlands, including marshes, reed beds, and swamps. They are well adapted to their watery environments, often clinging to vegetation as they forage for food. During the breeding season, males engage in courtship displays to attract females. These displays may include fluttering flights and calls. Nests are typically built in dense vegetation near water. The female lays a clutch of eggs, and both parents take part in incubating the eggs and raising the young. Many-colored rush tyrants are often found in pairs or small family groups. They are territorial and defend their nesting sites during the breeding season. They are known for their sharp and high-pitched calls, which they use for communication and to establish territory boundaries. Some populations of many-colored rush tyrants are migratory, moving to different areas in response to changing weather conditions and food availability. The conservation status of many-colored rush tyrants is generally considered of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, like many wetland-dependent species, they may face threats from habitat loss and degradation due to human activities. The carmine bee-eater is a striking and colorful bird species found in sub-Saharan Africa. Carmine bee-eaters are known for their vibrant plumage. Bright carmine feathers on their throat, breast, and belly. A greenish-blue crown and nape. A black mask extending from their eyes to their throat. Long central tail feathers, also called streamers, which are dark in color. A slender and pointed black bill. Their wings are predominantly green and blue. Carmine bee-eaters are relatively medium-sized birds, with an average length of about 20 to 25 centimeters from beak to tail. The weight of carmine bee-eaters can vary, but they typically weigh around 40 to 50 grams. As their name suggests, carmine bee-eaters primarily feed on flying insects, particularly bees and wasps. They are highly skilled aerial hunters and are known for their acrobatic flight as they catch insects in mid-air. They are also known to regurgitate indigestible parts of their prey, such as insect exoskeletons. These birds are commonly found in various habitats, including riverbanks, grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands. They often inhabit areas near water sources where flying insects are abundant. Carmine bee-eaters are cavity nesters, meaning they excavate burrows in the ground, often in sandy riverbanks. They typically breed in colonies, with multiple pairs nesting close to one another. Males court females with aerial displays and by offering them insects as part of the courtship ritual. These birds are social and often found in large flocks, especially during the non-breeding season. They can be quite vocal, producing a variety of calls and chirps. Some populations of carmine bee-eaters are migratory, moving to different regions within their range in response to seasonal changes in insect availability and weather conditions. The carmine bee-eater is generally considered of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, they may face threats from habitat degradation and disturbance of nesting colonies, as well as potential pesticide exposure due to their diet of bees and other insects. The pink-browed rosefinch is a small and colorful bird species found in parts of Asia, particularly in the Himalayas and surrounding regions. The pink-browed rosefinch is known for its distinctive and vibrant plumage, especially in males. However, females have more subdued colors. Pink-browed rosefinches are relatively small birds, with an average length of about 13 to 15 centimeters from beak to tail. The weight of pink-browed rosefinches typically ranges from 15 to 20 grams. Their diet primarily consists of seeds, buds, and various plant materials. They feed on a variety of wild plants and may also forage on the ground for fallen seeds. These finches are typically found in mountainous and forested areas, especially in temperate and subalpine zones. They inhabit dense shrubs and undergrowth in these regions. Pink-browed rosefinches are known to be monogamous during the breeding season. They build cup-shaped nests in shrubs or low trees. The female lays a clutch of eggs, and both parents are involved in incubation and raising the young. They are often seen in pairs or small family groups. They can be somewhat secretive and may spend a lot of time concealed in vegetation. Some populations of pink-browed rosefinches are migratory, moving to lower elevations in the winter and returning to higher altitudes during the breeding season. Their vocalizations include melodious and musical songs and calls, which they use for communication and attracting mates. The pink-browed rosefinch is generally not considered a globally threatened species. However, like many birds, they may face habitat loss and degradation due to deforestation and human activities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.